In today's tech tutorial, we're going to be going over how to create spoilers on Discord desktop. Now, if you don't know what a spoiler is, it looks something like this. See, it's a hidden message. You can see that I've sent a message in our Discord server. You can't see what it is, though, without clicking on it. Once you click on it, it all becomes revealed. So, let's go over this first. So, let's start with text real quick. To do text, you're going to want to go and do these two little vertical bars. That's the key right above enter. If you hold shift, it's the vertical bars and backslash key. So you put two vertical bars in, you put your text you want to hide here. You can even do multiple lines if you really want. And then you end it off with two more vertical bars. And as you can see, the text we just wrote is hidden. Now let's do a quick picture. Now let's just say for whatever reason I really don't want this thumbnail being displayed. So we'll go ahead and upload it. And you can see that there's a option for spoiler attachment, which we're going to say it is. And you can see that's what it looks like now. And we're going to send it. And you see this is what it shows up as, spoiler, until you click on it. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe.